In honor and celebration of Super Dragon Ball Heroes Ultra God Mission finally being released onto the newest Super Dragon Ball Hero series. You've seen me draw aios. Now we're gonna draw her faithful sidekick and the new character for the new episode, starting with episode 1. Here's his night hat. If he was a kind of guy for the other Dragon Ball mangas, that'd be a real gamer. I am not. He just... There we go. There we go. That's how you draw the new character for the new and improved Ultra God mission. And he also has this lucky box of time. I don't know why he has that. That's just magic. Anyway, I'm proud you all got to see me draw this guy. And let me know in the comments below which one of these guys you want me to draw next. Anyway, I better sign off for now. I gotta decide which character I need to draw next. Anyways, Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night. Please like, rock, and subscribe. Stegosaurus, see you later.